Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will guide you how you can fix the Facebook professional mode not showing problem. So if you are looking for that, then this video is for you. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. So for that, first of all, you need to go to the Play Store and on the top you can see the search bar. Tap in it and search for Facebook. If you see any update option, then you need to tap on the update and update the Facebook app so that you can enjoy the new features of the Facebook. Once you are done with updating the Facebook app, then you need to go to the setting and you need to scroll down and tap on the apps and tap on app management. Here you need to search the Facebook and clear the cache by tapping into the storage usage. Here you can see the clear cache option. Just tap into it and then clear the cache. Go back again and here you need to allow all the apps permission through the permission option. Over here you can see the 4 apps permission hasn't been allowed. So let me show you how you can allow the apps permission. Just tap into it and tap into calendar. Likewise, you can allow all the apps permission. So once you are done with this, just go back and open the Facebook. On the top right corner, you can see the 3-line icon. Tap in it. Then you need to see your profile. Over here, you can see the 3-dotted vertical line near the edit profile option. Tap in it. And then on the bottom of the screen, you can see the copy link option. Just copy link of your profile. Go back. Over here, you can see help and support option. Tap in it and tap in report a problem. Then you need to tap on continue to report a problem option. Wait until Facebook is creating the report. Then you need to tap on include in report option. Here you need to include the profile. So tap in the profile. Then you need to describe the issue over here. After you describe the issue, then on the top you can see the aeroplane like icon. Just tap in it, then your report will be sent. After you send the report, then Facebook will solve your professional mode problem. So this was it, guide. If you found this video useful, then hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more tutorial videos.